Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Merrimack Street Volvo in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have the 2022 Volvo XC60 T8 Recharge. Hybrid system on this. It is absolutely awesome. T8 Inscription. 2-liter super and turbocharged 4-cylinder, 400 horsepower, 472 pound-feet of torque. So the direct output of the 4-cylinder is 313 horsepower, and then it has a 87 horsepower electric motor. Really nice. Wow. Total price on this one, $67,485. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. You can see, hasn't completely been prepped yet. I don't want to take anything off of the car. You know, I don't like messing with things. So, this is your charge door. On that side is the fuel door. And then it starts right up. This is in hybrid mode currently. You can go, I'll do that. Air quality sensor, which is awesome. Change your drive modes. All-wheel drive mode, off-road, pure. So that's full electric. And then power, which is your sport mode. Steering assist, lane keeping. I want firmer steering. I mean, you have all the settings in the world. Very, very much like an Android. Actually, this might be an Android system. I need a seatbelt. This is one of the best shifters in the market. Oh, this is gorgeous. Sunroof. Nope. All right. Let's go for a drive. So this 2-liter 4 obviously made it to the hybrid powertrain. It's a super and turbocharged motor. So in the lower RPMs, it uses the supercharger. Then I think around 4,000 RPM, it switches over to the turbo. That gives low down responsiveness of the supercharger and then up top power of the turbo. It's a very, very smart system. I'm a big fan of it. First drove it in the S60 and I fell in love with it. I'll go into driving. That way we can try a couple different drive modes, because I'm sure some people are going to want to see it in pure mode. Some people are going to want to see it in power mode. Obviously for the on-ramp we'll be in power mode to demonstrate that aspect. But really is impressive. Obviously with the twin charge setup, no lag at all. It really, honestly, it's extremely impressive. Let's try Pure. This is full electric driving. I think though, if you need more power, it's gonna come, the gasoline motor will pump in power as well, but I've never tried Pure, so. Or not. It is full EV. Because this is foot to the floor. And you have braking mode. Not a super aggressive system, which is nice. Makes it a lot easier to drive around town. Well, obviously not a sports car, wasn't really designed. So you do have a manual mode, nice. You can hear very faintly the supercharger. Obviously it's not a Hellcat, not designed for power, but this is the fastest XC60 out there, except for the Polestar, which I'm not sure if they offer that on this. But for the normal XC60, this is the most powerful. If you want to charge the battery, you press it on charge. It will not give you, I believe it won't give you any hybrid power. So the engine's going to be used to recharge the battery. So let's say you like driving around town in pure mode, but you don't want to sit there and plug the car in. You go out for one of your drives, just put it in charge mode, and then it will charge the battery for you. You also can press hold. It will hold it at the current battery level. That's what I love. You have tons of settings that you can, everything's computerized, so why not give consumers the choice between all these different modes? And thank you, Volvo, for making Pure full electric. The gas motor won't come in or anything. It's pure electric. It's the way it should be. That is one of the highest quality backup cameras I have seen to date. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.